Hey guys, it's time for our math for the day, and today we are going to start something new in math. We have been talking about addition, and if you remember, addition means, or adding means, that we have been putting things together. We've been taking two numbers or two groups of things and adding them together to see how many is in all. How many are all together? And we've been using our pictures, and we've been using counters, we've been using our fingers and 10 frames and number lines and part whole maps and all of these wonderful things to learn how to add, to put things together. Well, today we are going to start something new. We're going to start something called subtraction. Now, adding, we said, means putting things together. Now, subtraction is the opposite of adding. So what do you think subtraction means? If adding means putting things together, subtracting means, what's your guesses? What do you think it means? You're right. It means we're going to take things apart. We're going to take a group or a number, and we're going to take things away and see how many are left. Isn't that going to be so much fun? We're going to be subtracting. Now, when we subtract, we also call it take away because we're taking things away. Well, today we're going to be using some pictures, and we're going to be taking things away and figuring out how many are left. Now, when we subtract, we have a very important sign that we're going to see sometime. And we have some very important words we're going to see. And these words are take away. Take away. And we're going to see that today on our paper that we're going to be doing in a few minutes. And you're going to hear Miss Candace say that, take away. And that means that we're going to be putting an X on some pictures to know that we have taken them away. We are also going to see this sign right here. Do you see this sign? Does anybody know what this sign is called? This sign is called the minus sign. This means that we are going to take away some to see how many are left. Take away. We're also going to see this sign sometimes. Do you remember what that one's called? That's the equal sign. Good. The minus sign and the equal sign. And remember, take away. And we're going to be putting some X's on things to help us take away. Now, first, while we are learning about take away, let's talk about some of Miss Candace's favorite things. Miss Candace loves cookies. So we're going to pretend like we have 4 chocolate chip cookies. Now I'm gonna have my chocolate chips just so you remember those are our chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so how many cookies do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so 4 take away. Okay, so we're gonna pretend like Miss Candace ate 3 of our chocolate chip cookies, okay? So I'm gonna do 4 take away 3 is, okay? Now, I know right now some of you all are saying our answers, so let's listen so we can learn how to do this to figure out our answer. So 4 take away 3. So 4 is what we started with. We had 4 cookies. Then Miss Candace got hungry and I ate 3. So we have to take them away. Now when we take away and we have pictures, we put an X on those pictures so we know that we took them away. We ate them, we got rid of them, but we're taking them away. So you're going to help me count and take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So 4 take away 3. 1, 2, 3 is, so how many cookies do we have left? Good. Hold on just a second.
Before you guys go to the office,
good job. So 4 take away 3 is, how many are left? 1, you're right. We have 1 cookie left. So if I have 4 and I take away 3, our answer is 1 cookie is left. Good job, guys. Okay, so let's work on another one. Okay, so let's see. I think we need 6 cookies this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cookies. So I'm going to write the number 6. 6, take away. 6 take away. Now, Miss Candace is not as hungry this time because I already ate a bunch of cookies. So 6 take away 2. 6 take away 2. Forgot to add my chocolate chips. And remember, when you're drawing pictures, they don't have to be perfect. They can just be circles. But I just want to add my chocolate chips. So 6, take away. Remember, take away. We have to get rid of them. We're going to eat them. We're going to get rid of them. But for our pictures, we're going to put a what on them? Do you remember? An X. Good job. We're going to put an X on how many cookies? What number is this? 2. Good job. So we're going to count 2 cookies and put an X on 2 cookies. Are you ready? 1, 2. So we took away 2 cookies. We ate them. We got rid of them. So 6 cookies, or how many we started with, take away, get rid of 2 cookies is, how many cookies are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 take away 2 is, how many cookies are left? 4. Good job. Awesome, guys. Thank you. And remember, we are subtracting. We're taking away some and see how many are left. Okay? Now, let's do one more together and let's see what we do. Okay, so we're going to do 8 take away 5 is. Okay, and we're going to draw a picture. So we have to start with how many cookies? 8. Good job. We start with our first number. So I'm going to draw 8 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I started with 8. Now I have to take away how many? 5. We have to put an X on 5. We've got to get rid of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 take away 5 is, how many is left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 8 take away 5 is, how many? 3. Good job, guys. You all are so awesome. Thank you. Now, we have a paper that we are going to look at together. And this is just like one that we would do in class. And remember, what is the first thing we always do to our papers when we get it? We write our name. So Miss Candace is going to write her name on her paper so I don't forget, just to help us remember. Okay, so remember, we are subtracting. What does subtracting mean? Take away. We're going to take away some and see how many are left. Okay, so we have some wonderful little monkeys, Miss Candace's favorite animal, and we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Take away, what number is this? 3. 5 take away 3 is, so what do we have to do? Good, we have to put an X on how many? How many are we taking away? 3. Good job. So I'm going to put an X on 3 of them. You can use your finger and pretend like you're doing it too. Okay? Or you can draw circles on a piece of paper and do it with me. So 1, 2, 3. 5. We had 5. take away 3, 1, 2, 3, is, how many's left? 1, 2. Good job. 5, take away 3 is 2. Good job, guys. What's another way we could use to do that instead of drawing pictures? What do you think? We could use our fingers, we could use counters, and we're gonna learn how to do that in a couple of days. Good job, guys. Okay, let's look at our next one. 3 take away 1 is. So we have how many monkeys? 3. How many are we gonna take away? How many are we gonna get rid of? 1. So how many do we need to put an X on? 1. 1 monkey. 3 take away 1 is 1, 2. We have 2 left again. Good job. Okay, let's look at this one down here. 4 take away 2 is. So we have 4 monkeys. And how many are we going to take away? 2. So how many are we going to put an X on? 2. Good job. 2. And how many monkeys do we have left? Can you count and see? 1, 2. Good job. Look, we have the number 2 again. Oh, lots of number 2s. I wonder what our answer is going to be on this one. Do you think it's a 2? Let's see. 2 take away 2. Oh, let's see if you can guess this answer. Can you guess it in your mind? If I have 2 and I'm taking away 2, how many do you think I'm gonna have left? Let's see. 2 monkeys take away 2. So how many do I have to put an X on? 2, you're right. 1, 2. 2 take away 2 is, how many is left? Do we have any monkeys in our box that doesn't have an X on it? No. So what does none mean when it's a number? What number means none? Good job. You remember 0. Was our answer 2 this time? No, it was 0. Good job, guys. Now, I want you all to keep practicing. You can practice counting with your cookies. You can practice counting with toys. You can practice subtracting with candy. You can subtract with your toys at home and things like that. But I want you to practice subtracting. Practice taking away. Take away, okay? Good job, guys. Thank you all so much. Bye.